Enjoy the view of this 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Tahoe, the full-size SUV that has the space, power, amenities, and technology you need to tackle a challenge in comfort and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, pre-collision system, wireless charging station, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, heated driver's seat. Getting the job done feels good. Getting it done in upscale comfort feels even better. Drive the Tahoe.